Hi guys, just doing a product review. We'll see. This is great. It's great. Thumbs up. Get it? I can hear all the bass, but I can hear myself talking, which is good because if you got a baby crying or a child, infant, that's a good thing. I love it. Awesome. Buy it.
Ты издеваешься? Left dynamic sometimes is not work. Need to push on this place. I don't know why. Push and work. Don't push, not work. Sometimes push and don't push and work. This very bad. Yesterday is break. Not good. Need to push, maybe work, maybe no. Very bad. Very bad headphones. This, for example, these headphones I have to more than half year, and this not a problem. And he cost 14, maybe $15. This more expensive, but very bad.
Dans cette zone-là. Bref, on l'a bien compris.